Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Like, look at me, I don't even know what I'm doing, it's been so long. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, La Vida with Kim. I am here at Disneyland. I have not posted in a while, guys, probably because I'm here the whole time, but I'm just playing. Yeah, like these last 2 months, it's been a lot, good and bad. I just haven't came to like the desire to post. The monorail's passing by. So yeah, I don't know. I haven't really bought any bags. I did buy one. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys pretty soon. You'll see it. The kids just went back to school. It's just been a lot, guys. My husband got a new job. You guys are gonna hear it. I'm at Disneyland, guys. There's so much going on here. But yeah, the kiddos are over there with the hubby. They're chilling because I was like, I want to do an unboxing at Disneyland. How fun would that be? Doing my newest unboxing, coming back to the channel. An unboxing at Disneyland. Oh my god, I'm super excited. This is gonna be my first Baggu bag, and yeah, I'm gonna unbox it here. It is Disney related, that's why I'm doing it here. But yeah, I'm glad to be back. I'm hoping to come back consistently. I have been posting on my other channel, 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, another monorail. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'm just not gonna talk while it's passing by because I don't know how loud it is. I have my microphones on. But yeah, I came over here where there's like nobody here. It's barely like 8 in the morning right now on a Sunday. So I'm hoping it's not too loud around here. And then I don't get like copyrighted because the Small World music. Small World is right behind me right here. Right there. But yeah, so yeah, I want to unbox it with you guys. Super excited. I actually made a post about these bags, the Baggu bags, the Disney ones, a while ago. They came out, I think, like in like March or May. I'm not sure. One of those M months. And I don't own any Baggu stuff. And I was like, oh, it's super cute. But I passed on it, guys, and I regretted it. I see everybody having one, and I'm like, oh my god, like the FOMO. And then I got my sister a Baggu bag. I think it was for Christmas, and I was like, oh my god, like it was one of those gifts, like I kind of want to keep it for myself, you know, but I didn't. I gave it to her, and I've been wanting one ever since. I saw this bag on sale on Urban Outfitters, I think it is, and I was like, I had to snag it. I'm super excited. It's here, guys. Yeah, so like I said, it's just been a lot. I'm glad to be back. Yeah, and shout out to everybody that has, because you know I've been making a lot of posts and about bag drops. I love doing that, guys. Like I said, I'm not buying a lot of bags myself because I'm trying to save. You know, I told you guys at the beginning of the year I had goals, you know, if you know, you know. So yeah, everybody that has been using my links, thank you so much. May God multiply your blessings. It has been helping a lot. Thank you so much. But yeah, guys, let's get to the unboxing. So I brought it, guys. Oh my gosh, look, let me show you. I brought my 𝓕𝓸𝓷'𝓽 bag and I brought it in here. I've seen it just like this, like barely glanced at it when I took it out of the bag because I wanted to make sure everything was good, you know. When I took it out of the bag, I was just like, okay, it looks good. I put it away. I was like, I don't even want to look at it. I don't want to know anything about it. I also got, let me show you guys. I got a bag charm that I want to unbox with you guys too because it's Disney related. And I brought the Baggu bag charm, the Mickey one too. I bought that too as well. So that's what I got to unbox right now. What's that? Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah. Oh my god, I'm super excited. So 3 things, okay? 3 things. Let's start off with the, should we start with the bag? Yeah, let's start with the bag. So this is the one I got. Oh my god, guys, I wanted the exclusive one from Shop Disney. It's been sold out, guys. I'm telling you, I passed out. I've been getting so much FOMO with all these bags but I'm committed, guys. I'm trying to save. I'm trying to be a good girl. I need to go to like Shopaholic Anonymous because like I have a real issue, a personal issue, guys. Oh my god. But yeah, I've been trying to, I was like, you know what, on the down low between like you and me, I'm trying to do kind of like a, I'm not buying a bag unless it's on sale type of thing. I'm telling myself, okay, but I don't know if it's gonna happen, but that's what I'm telling myself. So yeah, this one was on sale. Good one, right? I did wait till it was on sale. Original price, I think it was like 60, 56, something like that, and on sale it was like 40, 42, I think. Don't quote me, I'll look it up and I'll like put it somewhere here. But yeah, guys, oh my god, my first Baggu bag, guys. And oh my god, I used to watch MJ from 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Guys, go check out her channel. She has so many Baggu bags, and she's kind of like the one that introduced me to Baggu bags, and I've been tempted ever since. I'm telling you guys, I didn't pull the trigger and I regretted it, and I'm happy though I got this one on sale. Look at it, oh my god. So these bags are actually bigger than I thought they were. You know, like I told you guys, I got one for my sister and I was like, ooh, like it's kind of like a good decent size, you know. And then for the park, Mickey, guys, oh my god. So it says Baggu on the strap. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see it? It says Baggu. I want to learn how to do the like little knot. I don't know, I've seen some girls do like a super cute little knot and I'm like, oh my god, that's so cute. So this is like nylon, right? It has like a little trim right here. It looks white, but like a little like tone of like vanilla-ish. It's not, it's like a cream white. And then it has a Mickey right here. I don't even know why I'm like telling you guys all these details because like this is a bag that came out a while ago, but still, look, it says Mickey right there, has a patch. This is like a embroidered, it's embroidered, my bad. But yeah, so
Disneyland.
They're super excited. They're probably going crazy, like wanting to go on the rides. Oh babe, if you want to take them to Small World, take them. It's gonna take me like 15 more minutes probably.
Hey, you don't have to do a long ass trip.
But I still have to unbox these.
What is that?
My charms.
Oh, wait.
Take them. It's gonna be like 5 minutes. Come on, go.
Can't go on the ride.
I'm telling him to go to Small World real quick and he doesn't want to go. Or go to one of these rides right there.
No, baby. Oh, wait.
I'm just telling you. Okay. So, yeah, I love the zipper. Super easy. Look at that. I didn't even like realize how fast that opened because I'm talking. Look. Super easy. Oh, here it comes. I hear it, but I don't see it. Half of my head is coming chopped off, huh? Like, I don't know. We can only bring a certain height stands to the park, so yeah. But this is the inside. It's a big compartment, and it has one zipper pocket in here. Yeah, and it has like a little hook, I guess, for your keys or something. Look at that. And this is Baggu. So it has two compartments. I'm telling you guys, this is my first Baggu bag, okay? I don't know much about them, but it seems to have a zipper in the front and a zipper on the back. Can you guys see? I know it looks dark. The lighting is not the best here, but it has one here and then one there. There. This is a huge bag. You know what? Next time I come, I think I'm gonna do like a what's in my bag at Disneyland. Ooh, that'd be so much fun. But yeah, oh my god, super excited. This is a huge bag. So that's my bag, my first Baggu bag. I'm super excited. I can already tell I'm gonna love it. I'm wearing my Mickey glasses, by the way. How do they look? Okay, the Baggu charm. This is a Mickey. Oh my god, if I wanted something from the strap when it first came out, it was the charm, but I was like, why am I gonna buy this when I don't even have a Baggu bag? So I didn't. And this was on sale as well. How much? I don't remember. Maybe I should have chose a different spot, huh? I wonder if you can hear it. When I go through this video, I'm gonna see if you can hear it. But yeah. Okay. Love Mickey charm. Oh my god, guys. How adorable. I love it. Should I bling? Bling or no bling? Let me know. How adorable. Look at that. So, so cute. It says Mickey Mouse in the back. It has a little thing to hook it. Look. The inside. Super, super cute. I can throw like my microphones in here. Adorable. And how you would add it to this bag? I don't even know. I have to figure that out. Because it has like nothing. How do you guys put charms on these bags? I don't know. I'll figure it out later. I have another charm here. Oh my god, this is so, so cute. So I saw this. This is from the 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽 website. So stinking cute. Oh my god. People are starting to come. Let me hurry up. Oh my god, I love this one. It's a mini pumpkin. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, she's like literally the size of an orange. Look at that compared to my hand. Oh my god, that is so stinking cute. She has a green bow. I was like, when I saw it on the website, I was like, green bow? Why a green bow? But it's because the stem, the pumpkin stem. You can see it right here behind the bow. That's why it's green. Okay, I get it now. So it's Disney launch fly. Oh my god, look at this ginormous charm. So stinking cute. I love it. So yeah, that is what I got for you guys. I'm super excited. Oh my god, I love it all. My first unboxing at Disneyland. I'm back, guys. I'm super excited. I need to commit, guys. Oh my god. And then on my second channel, guys, if you have not subscribed, please go check out 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 because they're making like some monetization new rules, and I have to get like 8,000 hours in like 6 months. Oh my god. I'm like halfway to 1,000 subbies. I have like 400 right now. But I would love to be monetized on that channel. That would be like a huge blessing, and I would just be super, super happy, guys. But yeah, please go check it out. Tell your homegirls, tell your friends. Go check out 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Subscribe, please, guys. Play my videos in the background, you know, help me out with those hours. That would be so awesome. But yeah, guys, oh my god, let me know what you think. Super, super happy. Like I told you guys, I think I'll probably do what's in my bag next time. I'm gonna wear this bag next time I come and figure out how to put this charm on this bag. I don't know. Give me some tips, guys. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not, and stay tuned for more videos to come because I'm back. Bye.